Okay, so these two youngsters are two Spanish Timbrado Canary babies. They are about 35 days old, and I'm not quite sure as to what their sex is yet. But one is called a white variegated, and the other one's called a yellow and green variegated. And then in the cage below, this is a bronze canary chick that was born on the same day as the two Timbrados. And I assume he seems to be doing really well. And then here we have our other Spanish Timbrado hen, which is a yellow and green variegated, and she is incubating 3 eggs, which two are fertile, and they, barring the unforeseen, they should be hatching the day after tomorrow. And here in the next section we have, that's my foundation male. That's my Spanish Timbrado male. He's called a blue and white variegated. That's the color. And the hen that you may see sitting in the nest, and which tells me that she is preparing to start laying eggs in the next 2 to 5 days. She is all yellow. It's called a frosted yellow Spanish Timbrado. Then in the cage above them we have a bronze pair. The one on the right, the bright red, is called an intensive bronze, and that is the male of the pair. The one on the left is called a frosted bronze, and although the lighting is poor here, you can obviously see that his reddish color is not as intensive as the males. To the cage section to their right, there's another bronze hen who's also frosted, and from this angle, the silver-tipped feathers around her neck and around other extremities are fairly easily visible if she cooperates with the lighting and with where she's actually going to perch. And also, the icing on the cake here is that, as you may observe here, she has 3 9-day-old chicks, very healthy, in her nest. So that is the canary population in the Stockley household as of today, Saturday, March the 9th, 2013. By the way, this other bronze hen, whom I refer to as bronze hen number 1 because she was the first bronze hen that I purchased. So bronze hen number 1 has 5 eggs in her nest right now, 4 of which are fertile, and I believe I mentioned that they are due on Monday, the day after tomorrow also. Thank you for your attention.